Tell me what's original.
Oh, the block head, oil pan, timing cover, crankshaft, pistons. The rods have been replaced. And of course rings, bearings, and all that sort of stuff. Transmission is that it's the 5-speed in it now.
Oh, right.
So, hey! It lives!
Where is it?
I didn't know you had it fired up with full exhaust on it yet. That's the first time I've heard it. I've only heard it on video, man. Sorry, I got excited. Yeah,
that's great.
Been around here for
I don't know,
6 years.